Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best smart multimeter. If you've ever wished for a tool that makes electrical work easier, safer, and more accurate, this is it. Whether you're just learning or a pro who works every day, this multimeter is built to simplify your life and protect your safety. Let's get started. Product features: automatic function and range selection. No second guessing here. The SCO2 automatically chooses the right function and range, giving you peace of mind and smoother testing every time. Full range overload protection. Your safety matters most. This built-in protection shields both you and your device from sudden spikes, so you can focus on your work without worry. High display resolution. With the 999 count display, every reading comes through crisp and clear, helping you trust the numbers and make confident decisions in your projects. Large 3.5 color screen. A bright, colorful screen means no more squinting or straining your eyes. You can see results clearly in any lighting and work more comfortably for longer. USB charging. No need to stress about replacing batteries anymore. Just recharge with any USB port, saving you money, reducing waste, and keeping things simple. Smart digital features. With auto shutdown to save power and quick sampling for accurate updates, this tool works alongside you, keeping life easy and your readings reliable. Zero line and live wire detection. Visual and sound alerts instantly let you know where live wires are. It's like having a safety partner by your side, giving you extra confidence as you work. Pros. Automatic functions make it super friendly for beginners. Overload protection adds an important layer of safety. Clear, sharp display helps reduce mistakes. USB charging is budget-friendly and eco-friendly. Extra smart touches make it reliable and convenient. Cons. A bit bulkier compared to small pocket tools. Bright screen uses more battery with long constant use. Mostly designed for electrical tasks, not as versatile for other work. Final thoughts. The Anung SCO2 Smart Multimeter isn't just a piece of equipment, it's reassurance in your hands. It blends safety, clarity, and modern features in a way that makes everyday work feel smoother and less stressful. Whether you're just learning or tackling big professional projects, it gives you the confidence to move forward knowing you're safe and supported. If you're looking for a tool that cares about both accuracy and your peace of mind, this is a smart investment. Every job deserves tools that make it safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Check the price link in the description. And don't forget, subscribe to Tech Product and like this video so you'll always have trusted recommendations by your side.